balls, while for DC, Mushfiq Dar Salam and Mukesh Kumar took 3 wickets. First area amassed a total of 257 for 4 in 20 overs. Najee Praise and McClurk scored 84 off just 27, and Tristan Stubbs remained unbeaten with 48 from 25 balls. In the second match today, Lucknow Super Giants LSG are taking on table toppers Rajasthan Royals in Lucknow. Put into bat first, LSG were 184 for 5 in 19 overs a short while ago. In archery, India secured 4 gold medals and a silver in World Cup Stage 1 in Shanghai today, following a hat-trick of gold medals by Jyoti Sulekha Bennam. Jyoti won individual gold women's compound, defeating top seed Andre Becerra of Mexico in the final. Earlier, the team of Jyoti, Aditi Swami and Parneet Kaur emerged victorious in the women's compound team final. In the compound mixed team final, Jyoti and her partner Abhishek Verma defeated the final. Earlier in men's compound team final this morning, the team of Abhishek Verma, Priyansh and Prathamesh Khoge beat the Netherlands 238 to 231, making a clean